Which quadratic function in vertex form can be represented by the graph that has a vertex at 3, -7 and passes through the point 1, -10? The question gives us 4 choices that are all solved for y, which means that they can be graphed in Desmos. We will graph them one at a time and see which of the 4 options passes through these 2 points. Going over to Desmos, we will start by typing in those 2 points. We will add a table and type in 3 and -7 and 1 and -10. Make sure that you are on a viewing window that can see both of those points. Then we will come to line 2 and type in the first answer choice. Y equals 3 divided by 4, parentheses, x plus 3 squared plus 7. What we see is that that graph does not pass through either of the 2 given points, and so therefore we know that letter A must be incorrect. We then go to letter B and type in that answer choice. We change the 3/4 to a negative and come here and change the 7 to a negative as well. We notice that this graph also does not pass through either of the 2 given points, and therefore letter B must also be incorrect. For letter C, we're going to go back to a positive 3/4, and so we will delete the negative that's in front, and we are going to change the 3 here to a negative and change this 7 back to a positive. What we notice is that neither of these points are passed through by this particular graph, and so therefore letter C must also be incorrect. We feel pretty confident that letter D is correct, but we need to make sure just by verifying here. So -3/4, x minus 3 squared minus 7. And what we notice is that this graph passes through both of the given points, and so therefore that confirms that letter D is correct.